Today it's the early morning. It's in the 60s, which is pretty surprising for mid-June around here. We're going into the cage and harvesting a bumper crop of blueberries. This cage has been in place for about 9 years, and the plants are 8 to 9 years old. This year we've got some low bush berries, both here and here. This cage is 5 feet tall because these PVC pipes are 5 feet tall. Here's another look at the cage from the top. It's just PVC construction, some angles, and some cable ties. It's real minimal. I wanted to see how basic you could get and yet have an effective structure. This has survived big snows, frozen rain, and it just keeps going and going. Here's the side, here's the front, and then I just have just kind of a thick metal skewer, you might say, that I just slide down in here to join these two halves together. Real simple, real basic. And I think it cost me $40 when I built it, probably a little more, $50 maybe. Here you can see just a bunch of blueberries. And these guys, although big, are incredibly tasty. You want to get them at their prime. See, this guy is concealed by a leaf. You got to go in there and get that guy off. Now this one here, see how it's not completely, and another one just dropped off. It's not ready yet, but now that I've pulled it off, now it'll be a tart berry. You could use it with a bunch of other berries that are good, but I'd wait on that one and kind of let it be on the vine for another couple days before I picked it. Yeah, not bad, a little tart. For gardens, blueberries are really low maintenance. Once they're established, they don't really have any enemies. These are 100% organic. I've never put any kind of chemicals on them. All they've had is rain. A real easy plant to grow. Doesn't take much time at all, and will give you a fairly significant and reliable bumper crop every year. The only thing you have to worry about is the critters, mostly birds, trying to take them before you can pull them off the bush. And you get a good bit of exercise crouching around, moving around, picking your harvest, but it's worth it. These guys are super sweet, and kids love them. Well, actually, everybody does. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in gardening tips, home repairs, designs of all kinds, making and breaking things, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.